Hello there, my beautiful brothers and sisters. Welcome to another episode of TBL in my kitchen. I am Nancy, your host, and welcome to my morning coffee. You know, it is unbelievable how you don't notice how loud the RV air conditioning can be until you become a YouTuber. And then you have to create content in the summer. And there is no way that you can turn it off. Especially when the heat index out there is, what was today? 112. It has gone up to 115. So we have to have the air conditioning on. And of course, with a super hot heat index, what better way to celebrate the heat than turning that oven on? Making blueberry muffins. Come on, y'all. Even though it might be hot, you're gonna see how these muffins are gonna turn out. This recipe is super quick. Okay, friends. What I mean by this recipe is super easy. I mean it's super easy. This is just a regular package of your muffin mix. This happens to be blueberry. And one way to elevate your, sometimes these are $1, $1.50, $2 depending on where you buy it. One way to elevate your muffin mix is to put fresh fruit in it. And I just love blueberries, and I happen to have these in my vacuum seal from the freezer from a really good batch of blueberries. So all I'm going to do is follow the directions of this package, which is mixed with half a cup of milk, and then I'm going to add these blueberries, and then I'm going to mix it, put it in my tin with my handy dandy muffin liners, spray them, and they're gonna go in the oven to 450 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. Another reason why I'm making the muffins is Bill and I are traveling tomorrow and we're going to be out for a couple of days, and I'm also trying to use the milk. Half a cup of milk. Let's add the blueberries. And these are fresh, so this is going to be juice and all. And then I'm going to add my package of just regular muffin mix. Wow, look at that. That looks purpley delicious with the blueberries. Let's add our muffin mix. That was it. That was super easy. There's your mix with the blueberries. So now all I'm gonna do is put my liners on here and put my batter in it. Having these blueberry muffins would be great. We are traveling tomorrow in the morning. Having them made will be great with some scrambled eggs and some coffee, and it would make breakfast so much easier, and whatever is left over we can take them on the road. And who doesn't love blueberry muffins, right? especially with fresh blueberries. Got 9 muffins. I'm gonna pop these in the oven 15-20 minutes, and then I'll be right back and show you what they look like. Super delicious food does not have to be complicated. Packaged muffins, put some fruit together, and it's delish, and it's super simple. And I even thought about, should I make a video about this, because it's just super simple, but some of you have requested simple dessert recipes, so here I am to yours truly. Okay, I am going to drink my coffee. I am going to let those muffins bake, and we'll be back. They are done. They smell so delicious, and they're ready to travel. They're ready to eat right now. Let's try one, shall we? And I made these travel size. Look at this muffin, and look how fluffy this is. And now let's open it. Right? Look at that blueberry deliciousness. I don't even think it needs butter. That's a lot of blueberries. This is absolutely amazing. The blueberries, I like a lot of blueberries. Look. It is absolutely delicious. It is super soft. The blueberries are still juicy on the inside. This is all you need for breakfast. And 2 slices of bacon and a cup of coffee. You don't even need the eggs. Alright, that is it. Let me know in the comments below if you have added fruit to your homemade muffins before. And if not, then you should start. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so that way you don't miss out on this blueberry deliciousness. Right? Don't forget to share this video. I definitely like this video. And we'll see you in the next one. Wow, those are really good. I don't know if all of these are gonna last for travel day. I might have to hide some. Bye. Travel day snack. Travel day.